What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Yozma IN10.
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen.
Come on. Alright, let's unbox it. Alright guys, time for demolish time.
He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted.
Guys, it comes with a pouch for your bike. I think taking the staples out. Don't look at my butt.
Morning, PM to the morning. I'm the Wody, want a bag on me, just wanna rolling. Hold up, nigga, don't you owe me? Yeah, you owe me doing. I'm my island love event on how I stay rolling. China this.
Alright guys, so look. This is the Yozma IN10 or Yozma IN10, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really matter what you call it. Comes with a toolkit just like the Tuttio. There's a peg, it looks like, and stem mounts and a front fender and stuff. We got scissors. Okay, let's set this camera up again. Sure. This is my recording setup. Look at this charger, guys. Model 48 volt, 5 amp hours, input voltage, whatever. Output voltage 54.6 volts. So yeah, this is the charger. It comes stock with the Sur-on throttle and really good brakes with covers on them so you don't get them scratched up. Yozma. Alright guys, we'll catch you when I got the handlebars on. Alright, so my cat's on my neighbor's roof right now. A little side quest, so yeah. Okay guys, so we just, this is the next day. We put it together, we all put it together, it's all assembled. And we're just gonna do the review now, so yeah. Okay guys, we're on the Yozma. This bike is absolutely, like, so fun. I can confidently say this is better than a stock Tuttio. They have some similarities. The brakes are better on the Tuttio in my opinion, but these still lock up.
What?
I'm recording, little bruh.
No.
I think it's quieter than the Tuttios also, which is a plus in my opinion. I don't know if you guys like having a loud bike or something. Also, this bike is so easy to wheel. I hopped on this. I've taken it for 3 miles of riding and it's so fun, so far. And this thing has great suspension, so you can just hit insane jumps like this. Not yet, little bro. I'll let you ride it here. This thing accelerates so quick. Like, it's actually insane. And the fenders are also long, so you won't get water in your face, unlike the Tuttio. And you also get actual real fenders, unlike the Tuttio, which comes. Stock Tuttio fenders absolutely suck, but these ones are really long. They have legit fenders, so you can actually, like, go off-road. Like, the grass is really wet here. And you just won't get stuff up in your face, which is really nice to have. I have a couple plans with this bike. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but it has a color LCD screen or whatever you call it. If there's any like flashing on the camera, by the way, it's from the camera. It's not in real life. It's just a screen in real life. It doesn't flash. Shut the fuck up! Alright, so while we're still at full battery, let's hit a top speed run right here. Hold on. This thing accelerates so fast! 37, 38, 39! 40 miles an hour, 39 miles an hour, whatever you want to call it for top speed. That is insane. Wow, I just smoked my friend. Oh my. This bike is so fun. I love it. The off-roading capabilities on this bike are so good. I'm gonna show you the headlight.
No major freaking things, man.
Huh?
My mama said no.
Okay, fine.
Wait, let me see that. Let me see. That's tough. Is that in the top mode?
It's time for the IRL Atlas review.
I see. Can I put it on the max? Holy. This is nice. This is nice, dude. Suspension is crazy. Should we go somewhere more like small, so cars won't like be going in and out? Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. Where the heck did tuttiogang go? Ooh.
Dipshit. Say it again.
That bike is better than a stock tuttio.
You heard it from him. He said by far. Oh my. Yeah, guys, this bike is so fun. Like, it's better than a stock tuttio without any like major like power modifications. I like it more, in my opinion. You guys can say differently. I mean, this is my take on it. I really like it. But of course, I don't like it better than my tuttio. Stop for me, buddy. The acceleration is so nice on this, bro. Where should we take it? Dude, it also has a really bright light. I need to show you guys in the dark. At the end of the video, I'll show you guys in the dark. Wow. Yeah, bro, the brakes are so nice. And it comes with like cable management, so you don't have to like order any. If you care about cable management, I just think it makes your bike look a little bit cleaner. It comes with this like carbon fiber looking key ignition thing, but it's not really carbon fiber. It just looks like it. And it has a key ignition in the frame, which is sick. And I think I'm gonna do that to my tuttio, because I have an extra key ignition and I just want to wire it to my tuttio. But yeah, Yozma on top. There's a little jump here. I want to hit it. It's so fun. Oh my god, I got so much air. Yeah, girl, this bike is amazing. For the price, it's the same price as the tuttio. You get a lot better specs, and it's not like a cheap frame. I think this frame is, the tuttio frame is aluminum, I think. No, I don't think. Maybe, I don't know. This frame, I don't know. I think it's steel. I'm not totally sure.
He said that the dog might chase after us.
I don't give a fuck. Do it then. Fenders are doing so good.
I'm going to get bagels.
Let's go get bagels then.
I know, but then like, should I call my mom and ask?
Sure. Comes with the stock Suron throttle with half waffle grips, which is so nice on your hands. DOT fluid, it says, also. What else is there to add? The suspension's really nice. Like, you can take it off jumps and you won't, like, bottom out.
Hey, can I...
Light switch. Now, because it's a brand new bike, I think it's only been released for probably like a month or two. I think only sponsors have their hands on this bike. It's not the first shipping. They only had 50 of them, and I think they sold out because it's such a good bike. So make sure to get your hands on this bike really soon if you're looking to buy a budget e-bike that's also really good for street, dirt, and wherever you want to take it, really, jumps. You want to go to Bagels? I need to ask my mom. Text my mom. Hold on, call my mom. Yeah, hold up. Alright guys, so I just noticed that I cut the video short because my camera died, but that video was taken like probably a month ago or something. I just want to say that if you guys are looking to buy a Yozma IN10 or Yozma IN10, whatever you want to call it, I don't know what to call it, but if you just want to buy one, you can use the code I'll put up on screen or my link in description. The one in the description is a referral link, so if you buy from there, it gets me money so I can buy more mods for the bike, like the Tuttio or the Yozma. So yeah, I just had to get that out of the way. I have tons more videos coming really soon. I'm so sorry that I really haven't been posting many long forms, but I've just been really busy. But yeah, peace.
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting